The NGAD, Next Generation Air Dominance fighter jet is a sixth-generation fighter jet developed by the United States to replace the F-22 Raptor aircraft. NGAD has highly advanced technology and is one of the greatest achievements in the military aviation industry. One of the main features of the NGAD fighter jets is their extraordinary stealth capabilities. This aircraft is designed using stealth technology, which allows this fighter jet to be detected little or even undetected by enemy radars. This gives pilots a huge tactical advantage and allows them to carry out missions with lower risk. NGAD is also equipped with sophisticated avionics and sensor systems. The aircraft is equipped with a highly sensitive multifunction radar, state-of-the-art air defense systems, and integrated communication system. All of this provides pilots with accurate and real-time information about the developing combat situation around them, enabling them to make quick and informed decisions. NGAD fighter jets also have supercruise capability, namely the ability to fly at high speeds without activating afterburners. This gives NGAD fighters greater speed and range than previous aircraft, allowing them to reach targets more quickly and increase combat mobility. In addition, NGAD is also equipped with sophisticated and versatile weapons. The aircraft can carry a variety of air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles, and is equipped with a precision bomber system. With a combination of strong combat capabilities and advanced technology, NGAD is a highly capable aircraft in carrying out various types of missions. The development of the NGAD fighter jet is an important step for the United States in maintaining air superiority in the future. With extraordinary capabilities and sophisticated technology, NGAD represents innovation and excellence in the military aviation industry. The NGAD fighter jets will be the backbone of the United States air power and ensure their air dominance in future conflicts. The NGAD, Next Generation Air Dominance fighter jet, is the sixth-generation fighter jet developed by the United States. In terms of weaponry, NGAD is equipped with highly sophisticated and versatile weapon systems. The NGAD can carry a wide variety of air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles. The air-to-air missiles used by the NGAD include long-range missiles for targeting enemy aircraft in the air, medium-range missiles for air-to-air combat, and short-range missiles for close air combat. All of these missiles are designed with the latest technology to increase their accuracy, range, and destructive power. In addition, NGAD is also equipped with air-to-ground missiles to destroy targets on the ground. This missile can be used to attack various types of targets, including combat vehicles, enemy air defense installations, and other strategic targets. With high precision, NGAD can launch lethal airstrikes and destroy targets with high efficiency. In addition to the main weapon, NGAD is also equipped with a sophisticated self-defense system. This system includes chaff and flare launchers to divert enemy missiles, as well as electronic defense systems that can disrupt and interfere with enemy radar and communication systems. With a strong defense system, NGAD can protect itself from enemy threats and increase the survival of aircraft and pilots. Weapons development at NGAD aims to provide superior combat capabilities and enable this aircraft to face various combat situations. The NGAD is designed to be a versatile platform that can be used in a variety of missions, including air dominance, air-to-ground attack, and combat support. With a combination of strong combat capabilities and sophisticated weaponry, NGAD fighter jets are highly capable and effective aircraft in carrying out military missions. This superior firepower ensures that the NGAD remains the dominant force on the air combat field and gives the United States a strategic advantage in military operations. The history of the United States sixth-generation NGAD, Next Generation Air Dominance fighter jet began as an attempt to replace the outstanding F-22 Raptor aircraft. The NGAD project was started after the F-22 entered service in 2005, with the aim of developing a new generation fighter that is more advanced and has superior capabilities. Initially, the NGAD project was designed to respond to increasingly complex challenges and threats in the future. The United States recognizes the importance of maintaining air superiority and protecting their national interests in air combat. Therefore, they started the development of a new generation of fighter jets that would become the backbone of their air power. The NGAD development process involved various leading defense industry institutions and companies in the United States. collaboration between the Department of Defense, the Air Force and defense contractors formed a team tasked with designing, testing, and developing this aircraft. In the NGAD development process, advanced technologies are applied. The use of stealth technology and stealth capabilities is the main focus, so that this aircraft can avoid detection by enemy radars. In addition, sophisticated avionics and sensor systems, supercruise capabilities, and state-of-the-art weaponry are also an integral part of NGAD development. Over the years, prototypes and test models from NGAD have been intensively developed and tested. After passing through a series of rigorous tests and evaluations, this aircraft finally reached a level of maturity sufficient to be mass-produced and implemented in military operations. The sixth generation of NGAD fighter jets is expected to be a milestone in the innovation and advancement of military aviation technology. The aircraft will enhance combat capability, performance, and range in air combat, and provide the United States with a strategic advantage. The history of the sixth-generation U.S. NGAD is a reflection of the determination and dedication of the United States to remain a leader in the defense industry and maintain their military advantage in the future.